Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing great. What about you?
I am also feeling fine.
Good.
I am Adrika Dey Esha. You can call me Adrika. My school's name is Daffodils Kindergarten. My father's name is Lokon Kanti Dey. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Mummy Dey. She is a homemaker.
Okay, that's great. So, do you have any question to ask me?
Yes.
Please, you can ask me. I'm available here, please.
What's your favorite flower?
Yeah, my favorite flower is gardenia because it's a very beautiful flower and it's white in color. So that's why I like this flower very much. So what's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food. Food. Yeah, my favorite food. What my favorite food is? Sorry, I don't have any favorite food, but I like actually rice and curry. So what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken biryani.
Okay, so next question please.
What's your favorite festival?
My favorite vegetable. My favorite vegetable is lady's finger. Do you know lady's finger?
No.
This is called dadosh in Bengali. Do you know dadosh?
Yes.
Yes, this is lady's finger. So I like this vegetable very much. So what's your favorite vegetable?
Sorry, I don't have favorite festival.
Okay.
What's your favorite place?
Yeah, my favorite place is Cox's Bazaar made in Driver Road actually. The place is really amazing. Really favorite to me actually because the road is actually full of natural beauty. One is surrounded by hillside, another side is surrounded by seaside. That's why I like the place very much. What's your favorite place?
My favorite place is Cox's Bazar Sea Beach. What's your
Oh, Cox's
favorite?
Bazaar Sea Beach.
What's your favorite time of the day?
My favorite time of the day, yeah, morning time. My favorite time of the day is morning time. Do you have any favorite time of the day?
My favorite time of the day is morning.
Oh, morning.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week, Friday, because Friday I can spend my time actually with my friends. I can go to sea beach. I can visit different places. So that's why Friday is very favorite to me. Thank you. Next question, please.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink, yeah, my favorite drink is red tea. What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lychee juice.
Lychee juice.
Lychee juice.
Okay, next question, please.
What's your favorite
Skip
book?
these favorite. Oh, favorite. Sorry. Skip the questions by favorite. You just try to ask me some questions by do you have or do you please.
What's your favorite?
No. Do you have? Do you have?
Do you have?
Sir, do you have plus something else?
Sir, do you have brother?
Yeah, that's okay. So yeah, I have brother. I have 3 brothers actually. Thank you. Do you have brother?
Yes, I have 2 brothers.
2
What's
brothers.
2 brothers?
Who are them? You have to tell me the names, please.
Ishande and are Ishande.
Okay. So please next question.
Do you have sister?
Yeah, I have 3 sisters also. Okay. Do you have sister?
Yes,
How many sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters.
2 sisters. Okay. Do you have friend?
Yes, I have friend.
How many friends do you have?
I have 1 friend.
Okay. Thank you very much. Nice to talk to you.
Yes, nice to talk you too.
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। এ খুবই নতুন এবং বাচ্চাদেরকে তৈরি করতে কত কষ্ট আপনারা নিশ্চয়ই জানেন। আমি একদিকে পড়ে আসি তার একদিকে ভুলে যাই। তারপর কনফারেন্সের সাথে অনেক কোশ্চেন করেছে আমাকে। আমি খুবই হ্যাপি। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ ফর ইউর নাইস কোশ্চেনস। এভাবে চর্চা করলে আরো ভালো করবে। ঠিক আছে?